Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. Blenders have become an essential kitchen appliance for anyone who loves to prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, or even homemade baby food. With numerous brands and models available on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the best blender machine that suits your needs. To make your search easier, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best blender machines currently available. These blenders have been selected based on their performance, durability, versatility, and customer reviews. Whether you are a professional chef or a health-conscious individual, these blenders are sure to impress you with their exceptional blending capabilities. So, let's dive into the world of blenders and discover the top 5 contenders for the title of the best blender machine. Number 5. Aliexpress FJ222 Blender Machine. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Aliexpress FJ222 Blender Machine, and overall, I found it to be a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance. Here is my detailed review of this blender machine. First and foremost, the build quality of the Aliexpress FJ222 blender machine is impressive. The blending arm is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The chopper is made of ABS, which is a sturdy material that can handle various ingredients. The plastic housing and container materials are decent, although I would have preferred them to be made of higher quality materials for better longevity. The design of the blender is sleek and modern, with a standing style that fits well on the kitchen countertop. The controls are simple and straightforward, featuring a push-button interface that is easy to operate. The cord length is sufficient at 1 meter, providing flexibility in terms of where you can place the blender. In terms of performance, the Aliexpress FJ222 blender machine offers a rotation rate of 20,000 RPM, which is quite powerful. The blade system consists of 6 blades, allowing for efficient blending and chopping of ingredients. I found that the blender performed well when it came to blending fruits and vegetables, making smoothies and purees with ease. The blender also offers multiple functions, which add to its versatility. It has a fruit and vegetable knife function, which is great for chopping ingredients. Additionally, it has a function for rice dough, making it useful for those who enjoy making dough-based recipes. The fruit juice function is another handy feature, allowing you to make refreshing juices from various fruits. One unique aspect of the Aliexpress FJ222 blender machine is that it is a USB rechargeable electric fruit juicer. This means you can charge it using a USB cable, making it convenient for use on the go or in areas without easy access to power outlets. However, it's worth noting that the blender's capacity is relatively small, with a capacity of less than 1 liter. So if you're looking to blend larger quantities, you may need to do it in batches. The power of the blender is less than 750 W, which is adequate for most blending tasks. However, if you're planning to blend tougher frozen ingredients, you might find that it takes a bit longer compared to more powerful blenders. Number 4. Xiaomi MJZZB01PL Blender Machine. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Xiaomi MJZZB01PL Blender Machine, and I must say, I was quite impressed with its performance and features. This blender machine from Xiaomi offers a range of functionalities that make it a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance. First and foremost, the build quality of the Xiaomi MJZZB01PL blender machine is exceptional. It features a sleek and modern design that would complement any kitchen decor. The materials used feel sturdy and durable, indicating that this blender machine is built to last. One of the standout features of this blender machine is its powerful motor. With a 1000-watt motor, it effortlessly blends ingredients to a smooth consistency, whether it's fruits, vegetables, or even ice. I found that it made quick work of my smoothie ingredients, producing creamy and lump-free results in no time. The Xiaomi MJZZB01PL blender machine offers multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize the blending process according to your needs. Whether you want a quick pulse or a longer blend, this blender machine provides the flexibility to achieve your desired texture. Another notable feature is the built-in smart control system. It offers several pre-set programs for different types of blending tasks, such as smoothies, soups, and ice crushing. This makes it incredibly convenient as you can simply select the program and let the blender do the work for you. The smart control system also ensures that the blender adjusts its speed and power based on the ingredients, ensuring optimal blending results each time. Number 3. Biolomix T5200 Blender Machine. I recently purchased the Biolomix T5200 Blender Machine, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in many ways. This powerful blender has quickly become an indispensable appliance in my kitchen, making my daily food preparation tasks a breeze. One of the standout features of the Aliexpress T5200 is its blending arm and chopper, both made of durable plastic. While some may prefer metal components, I found that the plastic construction is sturdy and reliable, allowing for efficient blending and chopping without any issues. The blades, numbering 6 in total, are razor sharp and capable of tackling even the toughest ingredients with ease. The style of this blender is standing, which adds to its convenience. It takes up minimal counter space and is always ready for action whenever I need it. The rotation rate of 45,000 RPM ensures fast and efficient blending, resulting in smooth and consistent textures for my recipes. What sets the Aliexpress T5200 apart from many other blenders is its stepless adjustment for speed settings. This means I have complete control over the blending process and can adjust the speed according to the specific needs of my ingredients. Whether I'm blending soft fruits or crushing ice, I can achieve the desired consistency effortlessly. The housing material of this blender is also made of plastic, which keeps the overall weight of the machine light and easy to maneuver. The container, on the other hand, is made of Triton, a durable and BPA-free material known for its resistance to impacts and stains. With a capacity ranging from 1.8 to 2.1 liters, the container is spacious enough to handle large batches of smoothies, soups, or sauces. Number 2. Aliexpress PB602 Blender Machine. I recently purchased the Aliexpress PB602 Blender Machine, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in more ways than one. This blender is packed with features and offers excellent performance, making it a versatile and efficient addition to my kitchen. Firstly, the design of the blender is sleek and modern, with a choice of colors including pearl white, cherry blossom pink, and emerald. I opted for the pearl white, and it adds a touch of elegance to my countertop. The construction feels sturdy and durable, giving me confidence in its longevity. The WXPB602 blender boasts a 600W motor, which provides ample power for various blending tasks. Whether I'm making baby food, fruit juice, crushed ice, rice paste, or refined soybean milk, this blender handles them all effortlessly. The 1000 milliliters capacity is perfect for serving 3 to 5 people, making it suitable for small families or gatherings. One standout feature of this blender is its automatic cleaning function. With just a push of a button, the blender starts a thorough cleaning cycle, saving me time and effort. This convenience is a game changer, especially when I'm busy in the kitchen. Additionally, the push-button control mode is intuitive and easy to use, allowing for precise blending and customization of speed. Speaking of speed, the Aliexpress PB602 offers a maximum speed of 3000 RPM. This high-speed blending ensures quick and efficient processing of ingredients, giving me smooth and consistent results every time. From blending soft fruits to crushing ice, the blender's performance is impressive. Number 1. Aliexpress SP612's Blender Machine. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Aliexpress SP612's Blender Machine, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with its performance and functionality. This blender machine from Aliexpress offers a range of features that make it a versatile kitchen appliance suitable for various tasks. First and foremost, the SP612's blender machine boasts a powerful 800W motor, which enables it to handle a wide array of blending tasks with ease. Whether you're looking to make smoothies, blend fruits and vegetables, or even prepare rice paste and soybean milk, this blender can handle it all. The motor is efficient and provides consistent power, resulting in smooth and well-blended concoctions. One of the standout features of the SP612's blender machine is its touch-based control mode. The touch controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to select the desired settings and adjust the speed effortlessly. The blender also offers an appointment-based feature, which allows you to schedule blending sessions in advance, making it convenient for those busy mornings or meal prepping. In terms of capacity, the SP612's blender machine offers a generous 1500 milliliters capacity, allowing you to blend large quantities of ingredients at once. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply preparing a batch of nutritious smoothies for the week, this blender's capacity ensures that you can get the job done efficiently. Thanks for watching this video.